In this demo, we'll show you how Quod AI helps developers search for code more efficiently. In this bug report about recovered password, developers would typically search on GitHub, and in this case get no results, or search on VS Code and get way too many results. Let's try that same search on Quod AI. Quod AI returns relevant results and helps us refine our search and guide us to the exact snippet that we need in order to close the bug report. Quod AI also can help us when there are no search results and help us refine our search. Quod AI not only returns relevant results, it also enhances each of those results with a summary of the code, a list of people who can help, and a list of recent changes. All of this is specific to this snippet of code. Quod AI unblocks developers and removes frustrations from working on large code bases with lots of developers.